welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my, what month are we in? May. Why can I never remember the months? May update for Project 10 uses. Wow, this is my brain. This is my mom brain. I've got no excuses. I have no excuses. Project 10 uses, this is a rolling project where you pick however many products you want to do. I picked 10 just because it just seemed like the logical number. I've seen a ton of other people do 10 products, and you use those products 10 times. Then once you hit your 10th time, you roll it out, you roll something new in. This is a way for me to kind of rotate through my collection, and I like it. Ever since I put stuff in here that wasn't makeup, mostly eyeshadows, it's been a lot nicer for me because I'm using some things that I haven't used in a long time. So I really appreciate that. But before we start, of course, this was created by Phoebe HB, inspired by Melissa Gold, and really brought to light in the painting community by Paula. I'm going to have those ladies listed down below if you want to go check them out. This is one of those things that if you want to join in, go for it. Tons of people are doing it. All the cool kids are doing it. And there's no playlist because people are just kind of doing it on their own. And yeah, it's just a thing. It is a thing. So without further ado, let's get into this. I have 10 products that I had in last month. My hair is feeling heavy today. And I will show you the products, but tell you how many uses I have on it, whether I have reached my goal of 10 uses or not, if I have to roll anything out, what I'll be rolling in if I do have some, so on and so forth. So let's get into this. I'm going to do it in the order of how long they've been in this project, which some things have been in here way too long. The first one is the Bare Minerals Vine Eyeshadow. It is this beautiful green shade. I am finally up to 8 uses on this. Still not ready to roll it out, but I did get some usage, and that is a good thing. The next one I did not use at all since the last update. This is the Coastal Scents Sage Blue Mica Pigment. Yeah, I got nothing other than it's too blue, and I'm not loving using anything blue. Which I like blue, just not on my eyes. At least not eyeshadow. It's an 80s thing. Anyone that's in like my age range, you probably understand. It's just, I don't know. I will use it. But I will make a concerted effort to put it in my next makeup basket and use it at least once. All right, the next one is the Coastal Scents Sunbeam Hot Pot. If my camera will adjust to this, it is a very pale yellow, and I finally hit my 10th use on this. I think I was at 8 last time, and now I'm done. I was either at 7 or 8 last time, and now I am at the 10 uses on there, so I can put that one away. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it a whole lot, but I'm glad to have one less eyeshadow that I'm working on right now. Yeah, rest assured I will not be rolling in an eyeshadow for that one. Next up is an eyeshadow I have completely and utterly neglected because I keep forgetting that it's in there. I really just need to press it. This is Bare Minerals Present. It is a beautiful like orangey coral shade. I really like the shade. Actually, it's more like a pinky coral. Sangria is like an orangey coral. I love the shade. I forget it's in there. Probably because it's in this form, and I usually press things that are in this form if I'm panning them. I just need to pan it. I need to put it on my little mat over here on the side that says, Jessica, press this into a pan so you will actually use it. So I'm going to put that over there. Hopefully I will use it by the next update. The next one I have a little bit more usage on. It is the ColourPop Jelly Matte Shadow in Mojave Moves. I'm going to crack this bad boy open so you can see what it looks like inside. That is what it looks like inside. It is super, super pretty, and I love to use it. However, I wasn't thinking about this when I rolled this into this project. It looks virtually identical to the Super Shock Shadow in Ladybird. They're so, so close. They look the same when you put them on your eyes. So I have to like alternate the Super Shock Shadow is in another project. I'm trying to hit pan on it. This one I'm trying to hit 10 uses. I do have 7 uses on it so far, so that's really good. I only need 3 more and I can roll it out next time, which I probably will get to that. But yeah, that's why I haven't hit my 10 uses, because I've been alternating between Mojave Moves Jelly Much and the Ladybird Super Shock Shadow. So I do think I will get there by the next time. Another one I've been neglecting just because I suck is the e.l.f. Cream Eyeliner in Copper. I've only got 2 uses on it. It's a lovely shadow liner, and I do like it. I think I'm just working on too many eyeliners right now, and I feel like that's why some of these eyeshadows are getting neglected, because I have too many that I am working on right now. So what I need to do, I mean, logically, what I need to do is when I hit goal on an eyeshadow or an eyeliner, don't bring another one in. That's what I need to do. Otherwise, they're just not going to get their usage, and then the update things, they become boring. And I don't like boring. I like exciting and fun, even though I'm like all neutral and boring today. All right, moving on to the Lancome Stick Foundation Tint Idol. I don't know how to say it. I'm gonna mess this up for as long as I own this. I have this in 260 Bisque, which is a neutral undertone. I really do like this a whole lot. That's what she looks like. It's not rolled all the way up. There's more product in there than that. I am currently at 6 uses for this. I could potentially have this rolled out by the next update. I adore this foundation. I got it in PR. I think it was through Buzz Agent, and I've shied away from cream stuff for a very long time because I have oily skin. This did not make me oily, which is amazing. Of course, it could be different in the heat of summer when we're getting into like the mid 90s here and it's incredibly humid. That could change my opinion on it, but right now, I feel like this gives me less of a shine than like my liquid foundation. So I'm enjoying that a whole lot. The next one is a non-makeup item, which is what I really need to do more often as I put my hand in something that I shouldn't have put it in. Get a tissue over here and wipe my hand off. You'll see what it was in a second. So Jessica Nails, the Nourish Therapeutic Cuticle Moisturizer. Looks like that. It's pretty, it's pink. I've used it twice. And I will neither confirm nor deny that I may or may not have used it right before I sat down to film. I did, however, polish my nails literally right before I sat down to film, but, you know. So 2 uses on this, not good enough. I do have a nail oil that functions pretty much the same in another project for usage. So again, I'm alternating, but I really should be using them more than I do. All right, the thing that got all over my hands, and it looks like it's going to drip again, probably because I squeezed the bottle, the Philosophy Mandarin Mimosa Shower Gel. This thing is heavy. Yeah, a little bit had dripped on there, and I touched it when I moved it over, and that's what I got all over my hand. It smells really good, though. It smells super good. I just brought this in last update, and I've already used it 5 times. I know, I've taken more than 5 showers than that, but I am working on now 2 other shower gels and a bunch of bar soaps. So again, splitting time, but that's okay. I'm not worried about bath products because I can go through Bath and Body products like nobody's business. So yeah, me and Jaylon, we're good like that. So 5 uses, I'm sure I will have that rolling out next time. And the last one is one I accidentally skipped over, but it was previous to this one, is the Shea Moisture Extra Moisture Detangler. Looks like this. My goal was 10 uses. I got 10 uses, and when I brought it in, it was brand new, and you can see that it is down to here. So that's what 10 uses for me looks like, and I have a ton of hair, so I'm easily going to get like 40 uses out of this thing, which isn't bad because I want to say it retails for like $10-ish, give or take a little. Not half bad. All right, so I have 2 products that, where did I put my other one? Oh, my eyeshadow, that I hit my goal on. can't hold on to it, Sunbeam from Coastal Scents, and then the Shea Moisture Detangler, which I absolutely love. I need to bring in 2 products, and along the lines of, wow, sorry, someone's sending me pictures of their plants, and she knows who she is, and I can't wait to look at them as soon as I'm done filming. So yeah, rolled out an eyeshadow. I am not bringing in another eyeshadow just because it's a conflict. It really is a conflict right now. The smart thing would be to not bring in another eyeshadow, so I'm not going to. I'm bringing in 2 beauty products, non-makeup products, and I'm totally okay with that. The first one is going to be this Avon Pore Reducer Mask. 10 uses could potentially do this whole thing or most of it. I'm okay with that because I don't have any masks in any projects right now, and I couldn't really decide what I wanted to do, if I wanted to put something in to use up. This is one of those things where you use it when you need it. It is, it helps me with my oils and stuff like that. But if I don't need it, then, you know, I don't want to be under some specific time constraint, like it has to be used in 3 months, because I don't want to put it on my skin if my skin doesn't need it at that time. So it makes sense to put it in something like a 10 uses project, and I can just listen to my skin and let, you know, that dictate whether I need to use it that week or not. And the other one is going to be this big Mamma Jamma, another hair product. This is the Eco Style. Which one is this? I believe it's the Argan Oil. Yes, it is the Argan Oil Styling Gel. This big vat is like $6 at Sally's, and I love it. It is cruelty-free. It's made in the USA. It checks all my boxes and makes me very happy to buy it. So 10 uses for this, 10 uses for the mask, and we will see if I have some more rollouts and roll-ins next update. I do believe I will have something. I'm not sure what, but I'm sure I will have at least 1 or 2. That is my goal for every update, is to have at least 1, hopefully 2 or 3 rolling out and new products rolling in. So I feel like I did pretty darn good this month. If you are doing this project, let me know down there, and I will come check you out. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.